Hey folks, welcome to this channel. I'm going to talk about Organovo, which is a bioprinting company. I like the industry. It's disruptive. Let's talk about the company, if it's going to the moon or it's going to bankrupt. Before going further, don't forget to subscribe because it's going to encourage me to make more videos like this and publish my research. And don't hesitate to comment down which company you want me to analyze for you. Okay, without any further waste of time, Organovo is using 3D bioprinting for creation of tissues in laboratory environment, and their printer cost is estimated at 250k. So basically they are replacing animal testing with the real 3D human tissue. Animal testing is a social dilemma and it's outdated as well. 3D tissue allows for a better biology. They are also spending a lot of money on research and development. Arc and Nico collectively possess more than 26% of the shares of this company. I personally like the industry. It's a disruptive technology, but if we talk about opportunities, the market would be at $15 billion by 2026. Also using animal model, 88% of the drugs get failed in clinical trial, and using 3D printed tissue, development cost of approved drug would be reduced by 50%. That's a huge amount. And companies also anticipating a portfolio of drugs by 2024 going to file INDs with the FDA. Weaknesses are very obvious to this company. No marketable product, solely dependent on one idea. Specifically for micro cap company, it's a big weakness. And also management is distracted. That's not a good thing for a company if a management is not paying full attention to a company. And lastly, unproven technology. It will require more cash for entirely a new research. There are a number of threats as well, like competitors, Evasion Tech, Vision Bioscience, CellLink, Reagan, all are the competitors of this company. Possibility of the company would never go profitable is another bigger threat, because they have not developed any drug utilizing their new business model, and success is solely dependent on this factor. And there is a quite chance of dilution of shares or operating losses because of this research and development thing. Also, they required constant and reliable supply of human cells to continue development. There is no certainty that the company would receive regulatory approval for its drug candidates, and uncertain timelines, not getting funds on acceptable terms are, I think, plus. If we talk about management, there are a lot of weird things, like CEO is a board member of Biocom, Chief Scientific Officer, which is a very important post for a company like Organovo or any bioscience company. He is working with the Vision Bioscience. I don't know how he is managing the interest of both companies at the same time. General counsel also had worked in Vision. I don't see management is focused on this company, and obviously they are distracted, and if the management is distracted, it would definitely affect the company. If they do well and everything goes in their favor, this company is going to the moon. But after looking at the management and other threats, it's very unlikely, I believe. Some better company in the future can also eliminate the chances of potential return. I'm bullish for this industry, but this company has a lot of red flags. Finally, the time for conclusion. This stock is just a speculation in my opinion. So I suggest just invest only that much money you can take risk of losing. So that's all for today. I hope this was informative. Do subscribe and share this video and engage with others in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.